guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a Q&A video. I did ask you guys on my previous vlog video yung the best vlog ko. Sa end na ng vlog ko yun, tinanong sa inyo eh. I asked you guys if you want to see weekly Q&A video. I asked you to leave some questions. If you have any questions na gusto nyo ma-feature sa next Q&A video, please do leave your questions below with the hashtag askrhaze. So, I will go ahead and check all the questions that I got from that vlog. First question is from Simply Seth. Kailan nyo po i-upload yung vlog nyo sa Thailand at Singapore? I actually did not vlog in Singapore, and in Thailand, I did vlog, but not a really like talking to myself vlog. It was just taking clips of the surroundings and whatnot. To be honest with you guys, until now, hindi ko pa siya na-edit. Parang it's so overwhelming kasi sobrang taas ng mga clips. Parang hindi ko pa nga siya nasisimulan. Parang nakaka-stress na siya i-edit. Hindi naman kasi ganun ka-exciting yung vlog ko. I'm not sure if you still wanna see it though. Sobrang tagal na kasi. Ano, gusto niyo pa bang makita? Nakakaloka. Next question is from Eliza Lazaro. What is your favorite contact lenses? Most embarrassing moment? Favorite contact lenses na nagamit ko is from Fresh Look. May kamahalan siya, pero sobrang komportable niya sa mata. Comfort-wise ha, bet ko yung Fresh Look. Pero sa shade, gusto ko yung mga brown na two-tone na mga contact lenses kasi hindi siya like in your face, I'm wearing contacts look. Yung two-tone kasi is parang nagbe-blend lang siya sa eyes mo. So gusto ko yung ganun look. And I always buy my contacts from Executive Optical. The one I am wearing right now, I get this question a lot. I forgot what's the exact brand, pero yung shade niya is cinnamon. Just go to EO and ask them the cinnamon shade. It's less than 500 pesos. I really like the shade. Super natural looking lang siya sa mata. Most embarrassing moment, actually nasabi ko na to sa previous Q&A ko. Most embarrassing moment ko is when yung nasa office ako, you guys, and halos lahat ng mga malalaking tao sa kumpanya namin nandun. We have kick-off every few months, and kick-off like you know, yung mga part ng team nagsasalo-salo sa isang office. At that time, dun sa office namin sa US, on a regular basis, kami lang naman, konti lang naman kami, but that time, marami kami. So, kinailangan namin kumuha ng mga chairs from the offices para ilagay sa kitchen para ma-accommodate lahat, para ma-chairs lahat, diba? And I was so freaking stupid na alam ko naman na glass yung offices namin kasi, diba, doon ako nagtatrabaho every single day, so I should know. Kumuha ko ng chair ng bonggang-bongga. I was even wearing my glasses, so literally I had 4 eyes that day, pero bonggang-bonggang gumalapak ang aking face sa glass na door. I was just like, oh my freaking god. As in, narinig talaga nila lahat, you guys, kasi as in, lumagapak talaga yung forehead ko. Ito, napaka-powerful na to. Sobrang lakas niya, and napatingin lahat. Sabi nila, oh my gosh, are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. I'm just so freaking embarrassed right now, but I'm okay. Nakakaloka lang kasi though, you know, mga friends kami, pero like, you know, mga malalaking tao sa kumpanya yun. And nakakahiya. Ooh, wait, I received a phone call. Oh my gosh, it's missed. I missed it. Okay, next question is from Just Me, Raisa. Bakit hindi na po kayo babalik sa Cayman? Hindi na ako babalik sa Cayman kasi hindi na ako nagtatrabaho sa kanila. Nag-quit ako, you guys, kasi hindi na ako masaya at all. Akala ko yung pag-abroad is yun yung magpapasaya ng bongga sa akin. Hindi. Malungkot ako doon. And hindi malungkot dahil homesick ako. No, kasi sanay naman ako na laging umaalis ng bansa. Hindi ako homesick at all. It was just that I do not see myself living that kind of life for the rest of my life. Alam mo yun, parang kapag hindi ako nag-stop, like kapag tinagalan ko pa, baka mas lalong tatagal ako doon and mas tatagal na hindi ako masaya, diba? So I decided na mag-quit. Like, I don't care about the money. I'm just gonna quit. I'm gonna find my happiness. And I did. I went back to YouTube. Nung nagtatrabaho ako sa kanila, ang daming bawal. It was actually the reason why nag-stop ako mag-YouTube kasi ayaw nila na mag-film ako. And it was just weird because like, I do not understand why. Parang at first, I kind of get it. Like, they want me to focus on the job. And I did. I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna stop. And I did. Pero after that, I was like, I don't think filming is actually affecting yung trabaho ko. I do not think so. Bumalik ako ng pag-film. I'm not sure kung isa kayo sa mga nakapanood ng vlogs ko nung nasa Cayman pa ako, alam niyo to. But yeah, bumalik ako ng pag-film kahit na sinabi nila sa akin na huwag kang mag-film. Iniba ko yung username ko. Tinagalog ko din yung mga videos ko para kapag nanood sila hindi nila maintindihan. Kasi before nga, full on English yung videos ko. Kasi yung time na yon, alam ko na hindi ako babalik. Like sabi ko, na kapag makauwi ako ng Pilipinas, hindi na ako babalik dito. Kasi again, I don't see myself living in that kind of life. And gusto ko magtrabaho sa environment na masaya ako. I mean, okay naman sila. I have nothing against them. Sobrang babait ng mga office mates ko. Para akong baby ng kumpanya kasi ako yung pinakabata. And yeah, parang nakuha ko na naman yung gusto ko, na paayos ko yung bahay. Meron akong enough savings na mag-lie-low muna sa pagtatrabaho and gawin talaga yung ano nagpapasaya sa akin. So, naplano ko naman siya ng maayos and I'm still good naman. Dang! I feel so relieved after that question. Kasi ang daming nagtatanong and hindi ko siya masagot-sagot kasi nga it's one of the things na I don't wanna answer, I don't wanna talk about really. From Merjun Epsed, what grade ng lenses mo if mag-aasawa ka na? Do you prefer foreign and where do you live? PH or outside the country? Maybe where do you prefer to live? Philippines or outside the country? Okay, what grade ng lenses ko? Oh my gosh, yung mga questions daw from lenses to asawa to grade ng lenses ko, magkaiba, 175, 125. If mag-aasawa ka na, do you prefer foreign? Obvious ba? Foreign, you guys. I hope so. Where do you prefer to live? Philippines or outside the country? Bata pa lang ako, high school pa lang ako, guys. Gusto ko na talaga magtrabaho sa ibang bansa. That's why I took up nursing because I want to work abroad and I want to live abroad. My goal in life, nalalabas talaga ako ng bansa. And I did it. Even without using my course, I was able to do it. And I'm proud of myself because I did that. And then from Emma Laxina, what's your favorite makeup brand? Maybelline is my favorite makeup brand. From Joanne, what are your comfort foods? Chips, fries, sobrang unhealthy, no? Pero yeah, yan yung comfort food ko eh. From Marian Osorio, paano kayo nakakilala ni Mr. Bear? At saka, what is your favorite food? Wala akong favorite food. Lagi siya nag-iiba-iba. Paano kami nagkakilala? Actually, nagkakilala kami, guys, isang dating website. Again, I'm gonna do a story time video. I don't wanna say soon, pero I'm sure I'm gonna do a story time video of how we met and like, you know, how it progressed to this. From Mafi, when are you gonna do a meetup there sa Cebu? My goodness, do you want to meet me though? Ang feeler ko naman kapag nag-meet up ako tapos isa lang yung dumating, ikaw lang dumating, Mafi. Nakakahiya naman, diba? Eh, hindi ko alam. Parang feeling ko wala pa ako sa ganung point na mag-meet up. Parang hindi ko maisip na mag-meet up ako. Nakakahiya lang talaga, nakakaloka. Pero thank you for that question though. Let me know kung merong mga taga Cebu and gusto yung mag-meet up. Sige, try natin. Pero let me know below mga taga Cebu dyan na gustong mag-meet up. From Casey Abelio, hi Ate Rhaze, just wanna ask ilang taon na po si Mr. Bear? Sorry if you think it's too personal, I'm just curious. You know what? You guys guess, ilang taon na ba siya? Tatanungin ko yan sa next Q&A video ko. But guess below, from Avoy Yapi, kailan niyo po balang mag-asawa? Bongga. Wala pa, okay? Chill muna tayo sa mga ganyan. Like, again, nasabi ko na to sa previous videos ko, kilatisan muna natin ng bonggang-bongga. We'll see kung totoo na ba talaga attach. Kasi pag-aasawa is a huge step, you guys. And it's crazy to think about it. From Kim Masilang, paano at bakit po kayo nag-start ng channel niyo dito sa YouTube? I have been watching YouTube, you guys, since I was in college. So, mga 18, 19. It was my sister who introduced YouTube to me. I actually do not have any idea about it. She showed me this girl that was doing a haul, showing products on camera. It was weird, but I really enjoyed watching it. I don't remember the channel name of that girl though. Pero I started searching for hauls and all that. The very first YouTuber that I remember watching is Dulce Candy. As in, sobrang favorite ko yung mga hauls niya, you guys. And that's why I like doing hauls because it was the very first beauty video that I watched on YouTube that I found really weird, but I really enjoyed watching because I was so addicted to it. I actually filmed videos on my own as well. I had digital camera before and I started doing a haul in English because I haven't seen a Filipina YouTuber before and I just didn't think it was gonna be a thing, yung mga YouTubers na taga-Philippines. Pero hindi ko siya in-upload at all, of course. I was like, oh my gosh, I really wanna do it. Pero hindi ako confident kasi I didn't think my English was good. And then you guys, few years later, nakita ko yung video ni Say. And bonggang-bongga, dun ko na I was like, oh my gosh, Filipina YouTuber. If she can do it, I can do it as well. So I started making videos because of Say Tioco Artillero. Say, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. Like, ikaw talaga yung dahilan kung bakit nag-YouTube ako. Kasi parang nasabi ko, oh my gosh, may Pinay na YouTuber. If she can do it, I can do it as well. And if I can do it, you guys can do it as well. If you want to film videos, make sure na you wanna do it not because of the money. I hate talking about money, but I'm gonna talk about it right now. Pero sa YouTube world kasi, akala nila sobrang dami ng pera na kinikita or whatever. You guys, honestly though, hindi siya ganun kalaki at all. Like, maybe masasabi nyo na, oh my gosh, ang dami niyang subscribers, siguro ang dami na niyang pera. That's what what YouTube tells you. But in reality, no. Siguro yung iba, sa akin, no. Gusto ko lang i-advise, kung gusto niyo mag-start, make sure na it's something that you love doing and passionate kayo about it. Kasi if you're just gonna think about money, oh my gosh, I wanna do it because I wanna earn, you will be disappointed because it's not that easy. I've been doing videos for quite a while now. Hindi siya ganun kalaki at all. Yeah, it helps. Nakakabayad na siya ng internet ko, which is good. Another advantage is nakaka-receive ako ng freebies from shops, which I'm really freaking thankful about. Nasagot ko ba yung question niya? Ang daldal ko kasi, nakakaloka. And then from Robial XD, para po sa inyo, ano ang best lip product na nagamit nyo at anong brand po? I have a video on that. My top 5 favorite local lipsticks. I will leave the link below. It's in Bisaya, you guys. Kinsa yung pinakasuod o kinsa imong di pinakasuod sa imong mga manghod and why? So she's basically asking kung sino pinaka-close ko at kung sino yung hindi ko masyadong close sa mga kapatid ko. You guys, lahat sila close ko. Even yung pagtingin ko sa kanilang lahat. Pinaka-kinukulit ko ng bonggang-bongga is si Mark kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang siyang kulutin. Hindi ko makulit si Merwin kasi sobrang seryoso na taong yun. That question was from Maki Prasmo, by the way. From Lala Camara, paano mo pinipigilan ang sarili mo na huwag mag-shopping ng makeup pag nagpupunta ka sa mall tapos beauty section? It is really hard. Kanina nagpunta kami ng mall, hindi ako dumaan sa beauty section at all. I mean, dumaan ako pero hindi ako nag-stop doon. Like, tininan ko lang siya from afar, sumakay ako ng escalator kasi I don't need it. Isipin mo lang na hindi mo kailangan yun and I honestly do not need it. Marami akong binabayaran, you guys, na mas importante pa kaysa sa mga makeup na hindi ko naman talaga kailangan. So, think of the priorities in life. Do not spend on something that you do not need. Like, you know, meron na din naman akong enough sa collection ko na kailangan kong ubusin. Like, kailan ko mauubos yun though? Hindi. Yun lang lagi ko inisip. I don't need it, I don't need it. And it works na. Kailangan mo lang talaga iset yung priorities mo. And yung priorities ko ngayon is way more than buying makeup for myself. Just to be honest with you guys. That was the last question. You guys, that's it for my Q&A. Again, let me know if you want me to do this weekly, once every 2 weeks, every month. If it's gonna be every month, I know it's gonna be a lot of questions and it's gonna be long. So maybe like choose from weekly or once every 2 weeks. And if you want your questions to be featured in my next Q&A video, please do not forget to leave a comment below with the hashtag what the heck is that? Hashtag askrhaze and I will answer it in my next video. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! 1 minute lang nagtawag. Hi. Are you home? Great. Ayaw mag-load ng video ng bonggang-bongga. If meron kayong mga questions na gusto... What?